Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lower West Pubnico is a small coastal community located in the municipality of Argyll in Yarmouth County, Nova Scotia. Situated along Pubnico Harbour on the province's southwestern shore, the community is part of one of the oldest Acadian settlements in North America. The area is known for its strong connection to the fishing industry, rich Acadian heritage, and close relationship with the Atlantic Ocean. The population of Lower West Pubnico is relatively small, with several hundred residents living in the community and nearby areas. The village is part of the larger Pubnico region, where many families have lived for generations. Community ties remain strong, and local traditions continue to play an important role in everyday life. The history of the Pubnico area dates back to the year 1767, when Acadian settler Philippe Meuse d'Entremont established a settlement here after returning to Nova Scotia. Pubnico is recognized as the oldest Acadian settlement still inhabited by descendants of its original founding families. This remarkable continuity has helped preserve a unique culture that remains vibrant today. Acadian heritage can be seen throughout Lower West Pubnico. French is still spoken by many residents, and Acadian traditions continue to influence local culture, education, food, music, and community events. The community serves as an important center for preserving Acadian history and identity in Nova Scotia. Fishing is the primary industry in Lower West Pubnico and the surrounding area. Lobster fishing is particularly important and provides employment for many local families. The waters off southwestern Nova Scotia support one of the most productive lobster fisheries in the world. Residents also participate in scallop harvesting, groundfish fisheries, and other marine industries that contribute significantly to the local economy. Many people work in seafood processing facilities, marine transportation, boat construction, engine repair, equipment supply, and other businesses connected to commercial fishing. These industries help support the economy not only of Lower West Pubnico, but also of the broader Yarmouth County region. The natural setting of Lower West Pubnico is one of its defining features. The coastline is characterized by sheltered harbors, small islands, rocky shorelines, and open views of the Atlantic Ocean. The surrounding environment supports a variety of wildlife, including seabirds, waterfowl, seals, and numerous marine species. One of the region's notable attractions is the Acadian Museum of Pubnico, which helps preserve and interpret the history of Acadian settlement in the area. The museum offers insight into the lives of early settlers and highlights the contributions of Acadian families who helped shape the region over the past 2.5 centuries. Housing in Lower West Pubnico is generally more affordable than in many larger Canadian communities. Average home prices in the area are often found in the range of approximately $275,000 to $400,000. Waterfront properties and newer homes may sell for higher amounts, while older homes and inland properties can often be purchased for less. Today, Lower West Pubnico remains a thriving coastal community that combines a strong maritime economy with a deep respect for its history and traditions. Its Acadian roots, working waterfront, and connection to the Atlantic Ocean continue to shape everyday life. Thanks for watching!